All right, next under the File menu, we're going to take a look at the Close and Workspace choices. Workspace is actually kind of cool and lets you save some parameters that can make repetitive working really easy. Let's take a look. Okay, here we are back inside SoundForge. What we're going to take a look at next is the Close dialog under the File menu. You can see here again we have some key command equivalents. We've got Control W and Control F4, or as well you can just choose the Close command from right here. Additionally, besides the key commands and the dialog that I just chose, you can also just click on the X here, just like it is pretty much intuitively inside of any Windows application, and close the file that way as well. I'm going to go ahead and open those files back up again. I'm going to select both of them and hit open, and then they just both pop open. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to configure these windows a little differently. I'm going to scale this one so it's kind of like that. And then I'm going to take this one and kind of do the same deal. Only I'm going to put it side by side with that one. This one here I'm going to take and put it underneath these two. And I'm going to scale it down and kind of put it right across there like that so that I can kind of see the whole thing like that. Now I like the way this looks, and I'm going to be using these files on a regular basis and keep coming back to them. But when I close out of SoundForge, if I were to open SoundForge back up again, I'd have to redo all the sizing and redo all the placements of all these windows. Instead of doing that, what I can do is go to the File menu, go to the Workspace selection, and do Save As. What I can do now is type in a workspace file name, and I'll just call this one HA2. We'll go ahead and save that. Now, what I've done is I've actually saved this specific configuration in the window. So if I close all of these windows, and I'm presented with my blank workspace, and we'll just pretend for sake of argument that I've just opened up SoundForge. I want to get everything back the way it was. Go to my workspace menu here, click on Open, choose HA2, and voila, everything is now back in the same exact spots, reconfigured and resized exactly the way I want them.